It moved everywhere. It was super weird. And then when I panned that way, I don't have that on video, but there was like single ones on that side, where the ones here were 3 dotted.
Right.
Yeah, what's that girl? Oh, I don't know.
Let me stage the area.
Trip me the fuck out. Oh, you guys look good.
Look hungry though. Look at how thin her tummy is.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, in a minute it'll be full again.
What happens when you spill half your bottle? Got a secret.
They look good though. I don't think they're not losing weight. They're definitely maintaining and gaining a little bit. Food. I keep forgetting about this. Chicken feed for calves. Higher protein.
Oh.
Yeah. There's an old guy in the States that does that. So they gain the best on that. It's got a high protein value. I also have that fucking spent, which is very high protein. No carbs, but
Honey's just laying out there all by yourself?
that's Tilly.
That's Tilly.
That's her spot.
In the shade.
Yeah, she stays there often.
Wow. We've got chicken feed.
Yeah, makes you wonder. Might be the way to go. Excuse me. Her little milk pouch starting her.
Yeah.
Man, Honey really caught up to her in size though. She's not growing. Like Honey is probably the quickest growing cow we have.
Yeah, I wonder if it's the breed
The
or,
genetic, yeah.
or if she's slowed down her growing because she's growing a babe.
I wonder. She's not even, not that she's not close, but she's not Maya's height yet.
No. Do you think she'll be as tall as Maya?
Should be.
Yeah.
Should get to Pebble size. She's crossed between her and an Angus, so she should get pretty big. Yeah, that turned up manure definitely lets a stink out, eh? Oh, you eat good in the morning. Full tummy. Can beat her. Hey?
There's a poop there, I guess, and all you can see is like
Flies.
a glimmer of flies.
That looks like a nice poop though. Darker, not as soupy.
Who would have thought one day you'd be analyzing poop, hey?
Yeah.
Thank you, you're done.
Holy smokes. That's a lot of water. Oh, that's a wet poop, girl. Turn that feeder up because it's on its back again. Oh, that stinks. That's a dirty one. Excuse me, dude. Why are you chasing me?
The poop's very loose today.
Yeah. Likely the heat.
Another hot one here.
My bud. Could be Pemmitt. That's him on the rock. There you go. Look out, sillies. Oh, fuck. Oh. System doesn't work great either.
No.
At least they don't tip it onto the fence, but I got no room to chuck it. Look out. Pebbles. Oh, here we go. Oh. You want a little more? Here, put it right here, outside. Heat that up.
I can watch this if you want to go get the sugar ready.
I'm gonna grab some hay for these guys. Do we have any sugar left in the shop or no?
No, I don't think so. Well, what happened?
Oh, there's,
The clumps.
yeah, there's clumps there. Can take that. Here. Eat that. There you go. Okay. Go find some sugar. Fuck, it's toasty. Where is that feeder frame? Oh, what the hell? There's that thing. Here. Under here. Oh, what the fuck? Where did that thing go? This box? Nope. Oh, man. Where's any of these? It's not there. Nope. Where the fuck did we put that frame? I don't see him.
No.
Do you?
No, but I couldn't see him this morning.
Here. I don't see him. Hard to say. They may have swarmed off. One sec. No, I think they're gone. Shit. Oh, well, there's a bee here.
Well, let's put this in.
Yeah. They were just there. No, they're gone.